Hello dear student, welcome back to the lecture series of digital electronics. In this video, we are going to convert the number from one radix to another radix. So let's start with binary to octal conversion. As we discussed earlier, the base of binary number system is 2 and base for octal number system is 8. The base of octal number is the third power of the base of binary number system. So if I write 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3 or 2 to the power 3. So 2 is the base for binary number system. Okay. Therefore, by grouping 3 digits of binary numbers and then converting each group digit to its octal equivalent, we can convert binary number to its octal equivalent. So let's start with octal numbers. Octal number 0. If we want to convert this 0 into binary number system, then we need 3 digits, the group of 3 digits. To represent 0 in binary number system, we can write 000 because we have to divide binary number system into group of 3 digits because 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3. Okay. For example, next one 1. 1 is an octal number and the equivalent binary number is equal to 001. Next one digit, that is 2. The equivalent number 010 in binary number system. If we convert the given binary number into decimal number, then to convert the given binary number into the decimal number, we can write 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 2. That means 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 and 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So if we want to convert the given binary number into decimal number, then 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 4 multiplied by 0, that is 0. Or summation of all the bits is equal to 0. In this second term, 1 multiplied by 1, answer is 1. In the third term, 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. For example, 3 is octal number. In binary number system, if we want to make a 3 using binary number, then we can use 1 plus 2. That means 1, 1. That means 0, 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 in decimal number system. Next one, that is 4. 4 in an octal number. So we have already 4 over here. So we use 1, 0, 0 for binary number system. The equivalent decimal number is equal to 4. 5. To make 5, we can use 1 plus 4. Okay. So we get 1, 0, 1 and equivalent decimal number is 5. For 6, we can use 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 1, 1, 0. Equivalent decimal number is 6. 7. So we can use 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 in binary number system to decimal number system. So up to this point, we can use all the decimal numbers, all these decimal numbers as a octal number. But from 8, we cannot use this octal number because we have only 0 to 7, total 8 distinct values in octal number system. Whereas in decimal number system, we have 0 to 9, total 10 decimal values, different decimal values. Okay. So when we want to convert the given binary number into the decimal, into the octal number, we will divide the given binary number into group of 3 digits. Okay. For example, first one number is 1011101110. Okay. This one is a binary number and we want to convert this binary number into octal number. So first step, divide given number into divide given number into 3 digits into group of 3 digits into 3 digits. Okay, so first one group, second one group, and third one group. Okay, then we will use the given table. Okay, so first one value is 110. We have 110, equivalent octal number is 6. Okay, second one 110, equivalent octal number is 6. Next one 101, equivalent octal number is 5. So here is the answer for octal number system. First step is to divide the given binary number into group of 3 digits. Second one, convert each group digits to its octal equivalent. Okay, first step, divide the given binary number into 3 digits, and second step, convert each groups to its equivalent octal number. Okay, we can also convert the given binary number into octal number like 1 2 4, or we can say 4 2 1, 4 2 1. Then we can use 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, that is 6, first one digit. Second one 2 plus 4, that is 6, second one digit. And 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 5, that is last one digit. Remember, one code for conversion of binary to octal number is 4 to 1. Okay, first step to convert binary number into octal number system. First, divide the given binary number into group of 3 digits, and then use code 4 to 1 to convert each group of 3 digits to its equivalent octal number. Okay, let's take one more example. For example, we have one number 1110101 into binary number system. So first step, divide the given binary number into group of 3 digits. Okay, so when I divide the given binary number into group of 3 digits, in the last group we have only 2 bits, so add one more 0. For example, if I have only one digit, then I can add 2 zeros in the left hand side of the given number. Okay, so use code 4 to 1 and 4 to 1. Okay, and convert each group of 3 digits to its equivalent octal number. Okay, so if I use equivalent octal number, then in the first group 4 plus 1 equivalent 5 octal number. In the second group 4 plus 1 is equivalent to 5. In the last group 2 plus 1 is equivalent to 3. So equivalent octal number is 355. That is the octal number. Okay, you might have one question that how can we get the code 4 to 1? Okay, so we use a simple binary to decimal number conversion method. In that method, we use a weighted binary number 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, and 2 raised to 2. Okay, we can use maximum 3 digits in each group of binary to octal number conversion method. So we use only 3 digits. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, and 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Okay, in the hexadecimal conversion number system, we use 2 raised to 3. and that is equivalent to 8.